Good morning, children. How's you all? Fit and fine? So, children, now we will start with session number 4 of this unit. First, we will take quick revision tour. So, here our class begin. So, children, in our previous class, we discussed about templates. That what is template? Template is a predefined document that we are using. After doing little bit changes in that one, we can use that already predefined document. Or in our general term, if we say, so we can say that drafts are available in the computer in MS Word that we are using without doing any editing in its format. We are only changing the content, and that we can use, that one is the template. So first we will take one quick recap what we covered in the template. That in template, suppose this one is my document and I want to use template. For this, click on this office button, and when we are clicking on this office button, how we can create template, how we can use template, click on this new option. Here are three options: install template, my template, and new from existing one. If I am clicking on install template, so all the installed inbuilt template are available here. From here you will select any template and click on any template, and then here two options are available. One is document and one is template. When you are clicking on this document, so whatever selection you are doing, now when I am clicking on this create, now if I am doing any changes in this document, तो अब जो create हुआ, that one is the document. If I am doing any changes in this document, it is not available to me as a template. And if I am clicking on this template option, so now if I am doing any change in this template, this one is also saved as template. Okay. Now here I am selecting anyone, and here I am clicking create. Now this template appear here. Here if you want to do any changes from here, you can do. Are you getting my point? So in this manner, we are not changing the format of this predefined document. We are only doing the updation in the content. Second is, here click on this office button. Second is new, and second one is install template. Install to we have done. Second is my template. If you have already created your template, you want to use that one, you don't want any inbuilt template, click on my templates. Whatever template you have created it previously, you will select that one, and then here also two options are available, document or template. You will select any one. When you are clicking on this one, last time we are creating this one, now you will do the changes in this, and in this manner you can use the already created template that is created by you. Okay, next topic is new from existing one. Okay, you click on new from existing one means already present in this. Whatever templates you are creating there, all are present here. You will select any one. What is the difference between my templates and new from existing one? If I am clicking on my templates, it will show you all the templates that is created by you. And new from existing one, when you are clicking on this one, it will show you the list of all the templates present in the Word document. Okay, I am selecting this one, and here is the option create new. When I am clicking on this one, this window will appear, and now you will do the changes. Okay, next is how we can create our own template. Suppose this one is your document, or this one is your application. You are writing something here. This one, I want to save my document as a template. So for this, click on this office button. Here is save as option. Click on this one. Now you will give any name to your document, and I am giving this one. Okay, and save as type, you will click here. You will select Word template. Now this file is saved with the name Word template. Okay, save. Done. So in this manner we are creating and reusing the templates. So this topic we discussed in our previous class. Now our today's task is session number 4, and session number 4 is about table of contents. So this one is your session number 4, create and customize table of content. Children, what is table of content? देखो, table of content feature in MS Word, it allows us to build an automated table of contents from the heading in our document. what does it means? First thing is, what is this table of content? ठीक है, so table of content क्या होता है? Have you seen your register? In your register you have seen that notebook page, index page. You in your index page, what is there? That content is there, but that content is maintained in the form of a table. Okay, suppose I'm getting this chance to create my book, to publish my book. ठीक है, मुझे ये chance मिला है, and I, for this what I have to do? First I have to type that my book content. मैंने बुक कंटेंट टाइप किया, एंड आफ्टर टाइपिंग दैट मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी आर हैविंग दैट इंडेक्स पार्ट ऑल्सो इन द बुक्स. सो फर्स्ट मैथड इज देयर. इफ आई डोंट नो द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, for me what is there, I have to create the index page manually. देखो, this one I am creating manually, and what does it means? That chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter I am giving this computer, and in this 3 topics are there. Okay, this manually I am creating with the keyboard because I don't know the concept of table of content. This one is my chapter number 2, and the chapter number 2 name is tabs introduction, and in this tabs I am giving 3 topic: insert tab, home tab, and format tab. Anything else? This is my chapter number 3, and in this memory is the name of the chapter, and RAM ROM is a part of this memory chapter. Okay, so children, when I am creating this, so how can I identify, how can I distinguish these 3, कि which one is chapter and which one is chapter number, which one is chapter name, and which one is the subtopic of the chapter? For this I am using styles here. मैंने क्या किया? What I have done, I am selecting this chapter number, and here I am giving heading 1. मैंने इसको दिया heading 1 is the biggest size, so I am giving heading 1 to differentiate this. And computer part of this chapter 1, for this I am giving heading 2, and to these subtopics I am giving this heading 3. Same with this chapter 2, you will check here that in chapter number 2 I am giving this chapter 2 main heading, so I am giving this heading 1, tabs introduction to heading 2, and rest of the topics means subtopics of this tab introduction I am giving this heading 3. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, तो मैंने क्या किया? आई एम मेकिंग दिस इंडेक्स मैनुअली, एंड इन दिस आई एम राइटिंग दिस पेज नंबर हियर ऑन विच पेज इट इज अवेलेबल, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टैब की आई एम गिविंग दिस स्पेस, एंड आई एम मेंटेनिंग इट इन दिस मैनर. ठीक है, ये स्पेस मैंने क्रिएट किया विद द हेल्प ऑफ टैब की. इट इज ईजी फॉर क्रिएटिंग द इंडेक्स if your content is very small. I am having only 3 chapter here, so I am making it manually. ठीक है, but suppose my book is of 500 pages and I want to create the index of that one, so it is possible to make it like this. ठीक है, अब इसमें देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट एडिटिंग इज नॉट एन ईजी टास्क. Here I am giving tab, but if I close this document and open it again, na, this position of this 9 might be disbalanced. ठीक है, so this is the disadvantage of this manual. So for this we are using table of content. Look here is that this one is hierarchy of levels. ठीक है, देखो मैंने क्या किया, this refine कि ये चैप्टर नंबर 1. ठीक है, मैंने इसको हेडिंग दिया, मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया लेवल 1 मीन्स मैंने इसको हेडिंग दिया लेवल हेडिंग 1. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर 1 इंक्लूड कर रहा है किसको? कंप्यूटर को. सो इसको मैंने दे दिया हेडिंग 2, मतलब उससे छोटा साइज. एंड दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस कंप्यूटर, तो मैंने इनको दे दिया हेडिंग 3. ठीक है, is there any option available in this Word document that without doing this manual process, we are only simply typing our content, and at last that is there any option available that can make this index page automatically? Yes, my dear children, for this table of content option is available. Okay, I am showing you one look that what is table of content and how it looks. Suppose this one is my document, and here this one is the table of contents that I have created for you. ठीक है, so in this देखो table of contents, it represent indexes like this only. It represent that this one is chapter 1, and in this chapter 1 introduction is there, and in introduction this chapter topic name is computer. Chapter number 2, and in this subheading is introduction to computers, and in this I am taking 2 subheadings. ठीक है. How we can do this thing? For this, look, I am showing you how we can do this. First I am creating one new document, control plus N. ठीक है. I am start typing my book, and for this right now we are doing practicing only about table of content, so we will take one random content, some text here. If you want random text, for this click equals to here on, I will increase the font size. You will type R A N D, rand means random. Okay, for random text, if you want, for this click on this rand command, and I am writing something in the bracket, means 23. Okay, when I am pressing enter, you will check, it will show you the random text automatic. इसने कुछ text आपको दे दिया. Now you will do the editing on this one. ठीक है. For saving your time, I have already done the editing. Look, this one is your page. इसमें total content उसने मुझे इतना दिया है. I am dividing this content into the chapters so that it is easy for you to check what is table of content. मैंने क्या किया? What I have done for you, I am dividing that content into that chapter name. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा chapter. चलो फिर से कर देती हूँ एक बार. This one is my document. ठीक है. First, I am writing here chapter. 1 minute I'll take. Chapter number 1. ठीक है. And in this chapter number 1, I am giving certain name here. Name I am giving introduction. Means heading, subheading. And in this introduction, I am giving the name, subtopic is there. I am giving that subtopic name computer. ठीक है. Here my chapter number 1. Suppose यहाँ पे finish हो गया. Now from here chapter number 2 start. So in this chapter number 2, I am giving here name chapter number 2. Copy down from there. Chapter number 2, and name is introduction I am giving. Here is introduction. ठीक है. Children, you will do this thing in your by yourself. We are using that already created document. We are using that one. Here is a, I have already done. What I have done, I have divided content into different chapters. ठीक है. I will increase one chapter in this one. ठीक है. इसमें increase करती हूँ मैं. I am copied down from here. ठीक है. Copied down here and Control C for copying, and at last I am pasting this one and do editing in this one. Control plus V for pasting, and in this I am introducing one new chapter here. This one is chapter 1 na. In place of this chapter 1, I am writing here chapter number 4. ठीक है. New chapter start from new page, so I am placing enter here, and chapter number 4 I am shifted to new page. ठीक है. Now what I have done for you, that random content I am divided it into that chapters. Suppose ये मेरी book थी, मेरा content सब ready हो गया, and this one is my chapter number 1. So in chapter number 1, this one is your text. You will check मैंने इसके पर क्या किया. After giving chapter name, I am changing its heading 1, and introduction is the part of chapter 2. So level 2 heading means heading 2 I am placing. Now what if any subtopic is there in this? So I am giving is at computer. Level 3 means subtopic of that one. So for this I am giving heading 3. I am doing this editing manually. When I am creating book, that time I am doing this editing. ठीक है. Now from on this page, chapter number 1 completed. Now this chapter number 2, name of the chapter I am giving this number of the chapter heading 1, and if subtopic is there heading 2, and here is if any subtopic is there in chapter name heading 3 I am giving. And in this manner I am creating 4 chapter, means one big document consisting of 9 pages. ठीक है. 9 pages. Now I want to make the table of content of this one. This one is my content. I want to make the table of content of this one. Okay. So for this, how we can create this table of content? Index hota hai, that one is the beginning of the chapter. So for this, how we can create this table of content? Click on here references. When you are clicking on this references, here is table of contents. Children, that manually when I am creating that index, so there I am writing each and everything. Here it will provide you the feature that you will not write anything. Index it will automatically make from those headings. Headings already I am mentioned there. It will use that heading automatically and create index. Look how. Here three options are there: automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table means it will show you the table, and here you will write down the chapters by yourself. Okay. Where is chapter? Here. You will check. It will give you type chapter name means manually you will type by yourself. Okay. I don't want this one. I want that automatic it will create the index by itself. Okay. So for this what I am doing, I am selecting that table of contents in references, and here is automatic table 1. Clicking on this one. Look what headings I am giving there: chapter number 1 and chapter number 1 introduction, and here computer chapter 2. These headings I am giving there now. It will automatically create index of those chapters. Okay, automatic it will create the index. So this one is table of content. That's why we are using this table of content. What is table of content? Table of content feature in MS Word. It allows us to build an automated table, means automatic index. Okay, from the headings of our document, means we are not creating any index. By using that headings, whatever headings you are giving there in your chapter, it will use that one and it will automatically create index. The table of content can be updated when we change the heading, text, sequence or level. Okay, if you are changing anything in that your text, it will automatically updated in your table of contents. Okay. So next topic is steps to add table of content. मैंने अभी बताया how we can do. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table of content. ठीक है. Then click on references tab, table of content group and table of content option there, and choose the appropriate option. How we can do? First, this one is your document. This one is your document. This chapter 1 इसको हम देते हैं heading 1, and this introduction I am giving this heading 2. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट और भी इसमें एक चैप्टर और दिया था मैंने. दिस चैप्टर नंबर 1 मेन हेडिंग, सो गिव दिस हेडिंग 1, and this introduction is a part of this chapter 1. I am giving this heading 2, and this computer is the part of this introduction. Select this one, heading 3. ठीक है. So now I want to make the table of index of this content, this document. So करना क्या है? Click on references tab and then table of contents, and here is table of contents option. Here 3 options are available to you: automatic table 1, automatic table 2 and manual table. If you are clicking on automatic, so it will automatically take heading from your content and it will make that index. But if you are clicking on this manual table, it will show you that you will type, it will give you only the format. Now here you will type. ठीक है. Now here you will type the chapter name. ठीक है. I don't want this manual. If we are using this, so we must use that automatic. ठीक है. अब मुझे अपना क्यों मैं अपना manual करूँ, मुझे तो automatic चाहिए. Select this one. Here is the option references tab, which group, table of contents group. Here is table of contents option. Click on this one. You will select any option from here. I am selecting this one. Look, मैंने यही दिया था ना, chapter number 1 and introduction, computer chapter 2 and introduction, and in this manner. देखो, one I am not selecting as heading. That time I am selecting with this only, so it will take chapter only as heading. And what is the meaning of this one? Why it is creating gap here? Chapter के बाद little bit gap is there, and after introduction देखो little bit gap is there. because it shows the level of heading. This one is level 1, means the main heading. In this main heading, this one is the subheading. In the subheading, this one is the subheading. ठीक है. How we can create table of contents? Table of content का main meaning क्या होता है? That we can create the index of our document. ठीक है, एक मैनुअली कर सकते थे और we can do it in this manner. If we are doing it manually, that thing is possible only when if our content is very small. In place of this, MS Word provide you the facility that you can use this option table of content, where it will automatically generate this index page by using your heading portion. ठीक है, whatever heading you are giving there, it will use that one, and that it allows us to build an automated table of contents, means index page, from the heading of in our document. Means आपके पेज में जितनी भी headings हैं, it will use that one and make the index of your document. ठीक है. How we can create table of content? For this, सबसे पहले करना क्या है? Select the document which you want, where you want to create your table of content. फिर करना क्या है? This time I am selecting this chapter number 1 complete. ठीक है, select this one. ठीक है, and I am giving this one heading 1. Home tab. Here is heading 1. Click this one. ठीक है. Now I want to create this table of content. So first select here, and here is references tab. Click here. Here is table of contents, and from here you will select any table of content. In one table we can create only one table of content. I have to remove this one. Remove किया इसको. ठीक है. I want to make the index page of this document. First select this one, references tab. Here is table of contents. Click here, and from here you will select any one. ठीक है. So this one is how we can create table of contents. Children, in this unit, in this session, 3-4 more topics are there. How we can update this table of content, how we can delete this table of content. So these options are there. So we will discuss these options. Here is your syllabus. Table of contents, ठीक है. Hierarchy of headings, ये मैंने अभी बताया. Levels, different levels are available. And customization of table of content. In this, so many options are there. So we will discuss these remaining topic in our next class. Till then, do revision of this one. In our next class also we are taking revision tour of this table of content. So don't worry about it. If you get approx 60 to 70% in today's class, na, that one is okay. No problem. We will discuss this topic in our next class also. Okay. So till then, do revision from this one. Thank you so much, class. Thank you for listening me, and thank you so much.